वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी फुल्लकुसुमितद्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Advait of class 6C. Today I am going to talk about Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is an annual national event. It is observed on 2nd October every year with the same zeal and devotion. Mahatma Gandhi was a pioneer in non-violence and peace. On Gandhi Jayanti, there is a gazetted holiday. People in the entire world remember Mahatma Gandhi on this day. They also pledge to speak the truth and support non-violence. Political leaders pay him tribute at Rajghat, the place of his cremation. People also gather around the statues of Mahatma Gandhi nearby their houses to pay him homage. Famous song Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram is sung by students in school on this day. Children should know the importance of Gandhiji and Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Jayesh from 6th C. I am going to show you a presentation about Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mohandas Gandhi, born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, India. Gandhi's childhood. In May 1883, the 13-year-old Mohandas was married to 14-year-old Kasturibai Mahanji in an arranged child marriage. In 1885, when Gandhiji was 15, the couple's first child was born but survived only a few days. He travelled to London, England at age 19 to study law at University College, London, and to train as a barrister. The first picture shows Gandhi and his wife Kasturibai in South Africa 1902, and the second picture shows Gandhi and his legal colleagues, and the last picture shows Gandhi and his South African friends. Gandhi's struggle for Indian independence 1915 to 1945. Returning to India. Gandhi returned from South Africa to live in India in 1915. In 1918, Gandhi proposed Satyagraha, non-violence, mass civil disobedience. He was arrested by police on the charge of creating unrest. Hundreds of thousands of people protested. The court unwillingly released him. Gandhi's imprisonment. Gandhi was arrested on 10 March 1922, tried for sedition and sentenced to 6 years imprisonment. He was released 1924 having served only 2 years. Cooperation among Hindus and Muslims broke down while he was in prison. Gandhi to attempt to bridge this difference through many means, including a 3 week fast, but with limited success. World War II and independence declared that India could not be a party to World War II, being fought for democratic freedom. While that freedom was denied to India itself, Gandhi intensified his demand for independence, drafting a resolution calling for British to quit India. When freedom came on 15 August 1947, the new government saluted him as the architect of India independence, as the father of the nation. Gandhi led a very simple life. The first picture shows Gandhi spinning thread, and the second picture shows Gandhi reading a newspaper, and the last picture shows Mahatma Gandhi's room at Sabarmati Ashramam. Partitioning India and Pakistan. India was partitioned into two countries, India for the Hindus and Sikhs, Pakistan for the Muslims. There was much resentment and violence against Muslims. Bloodshed following the partition may have taken as many as 1 million lives, caused the dislocation of over 11 million people. Gandhi began to fast unto death. Gandhi's death. On the evening of January 30, 1948, Gandhi met with India's Deputy Prime Minister and then proceeded to his prayer. Gandhi commenced his walk to the prayer meeting. As Gandhi was about to mount the step of the podium, a young man came up to him and shot him 3 times in his chest. Thank you.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is S. Pranav. Today I am going to talk about Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi. He was one of the greatest freedom fighters the world has ever seen. It was a great honor of the country people to have been the workplace and birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi. He was a self-sacrificing hero who rose to the occasion of the India's freedom from grasp of the British. He was a good student with a shy nature. As he grew up, he went to England to study law and soon became a barrister. And he returned to India to practice law at Bombay High Court. Therefore, he went to South Africa to practice law. However, he was not interested in being in legal profession. He joined hands with the natives of the regions and started non-violence movement called Satyagraha in order to fight against the oppression of the Europeans. Soon he returned to India and joined the struggle of India independence against the British rule. Seeing the miserable plight of his Indian fellow brothers and sisters, he started non-cooperation movement and Quit India movement to revolt against the British rule. He underwent a lot of suffering and made sacrifice to uproot British rule from Indian soil. Mahatma Gandhi was a noble soul who believed in simplicity. He propagated the use of Swadeshi goods and boycott the use of foreign items. Mahatma Gandhi wore simple clothes and encouraged the use of handspun fibers such as jutes and khadi made with the help of the spinning wheel. He
He was a man of strong conviction and played a crucial role in struggle for India independence. He was imprisoned for several times, but his love for India's independence remained a cherished goal. His birthday, 2nd October, celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. It is fondly remembered as father of our nation. In India,
Good evening everyone. I am Indresh from grade 6E. I am going to speak about father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. His original name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in the state of Gujarat. His parents were Karamchand Gandhi and Putribai Gandhi. The 5 Satyagraha, Salt Satyagraha, Vedanayam Satyagraha, Champaran Satyagraha, Kera Satyagraha and Ahmadabad Satyagraha as before Mahatma Gandhi early invented. His agitation are as follows. In 1930, Non-Cooperation Movement. 1942, Quit India Movement. 1947, we got our freedom from British. His political thought was Satyagraha and social thought was Sarvodaya. Non-violence was his weapon to getting freedom without knife and blood. Nathurao Minia Godse had shot Mahatma Gandhi and he was died on 30th Jan 1948. Jai Hind.
Gurubhyo Namaga. I am Hansika from class 6C. Today I am going to talk about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father name was Karamchand and his mother name was Putli Bai. He was married at the age of 15. He studied law from the University of London to become a barrister. His birthday is celebrated every year as Gandhi Jayanti. The name Mahatma was given to Gandhi by Rabindranath Tagore. Gandhi ji launched movements like non-cooperation, civil disobedience against the British. He started many important movements like civil rights movement, Dandi March, Quit India movement, etc. He was a great follower of peace and non-violence. He believed in simple living and high thinking. The great leader of our country died on 30th January 1948. Thank you.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Suman. Mahatma Gandhi is by name of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is our father of nation. He was
சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும் சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும் எங்கும் சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும் ஆத்ம சக்தி ஓங்க வேண்டும் உலகிலே சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும் ஆத்ம சக்தி ஓங்க வேண்டும் உலகிலே சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும் காந்தி மகாத்மா கட்டளை அதுவே காந்தி மகாத்மா கட்டளை அதுவே கடமை கதிரொளி பெறவே கருணை ஒற்றுமை கதிரொளி பெறவே சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும் ஆத்ம சக்தி ஓங்க வேண்டும் உலகிலே சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும் கொடுமை செய்தியோர் மனமது தீர்ந்த நற்குணமதை புகழ்த்திடுவோம் கொடுமை செய்தியோர் மனமது தீர்ந்த நற்குணமதை புகழ்த்திடுவோம் மடமையச்சம் அறுப்போம் மக்களின் மாசிலா நல்லொழுக்கம் வளர்ப்போம் மடமையச்சம் அறுப்போம் மக்களின் மாசிலா நல்லொழுக்கம் வளர்ப்போம் திடம் தரும் அஹிம்சா யோகினம் தந்தை திடம் தரும் அஹிம்சா யோகினம் தந்தை ஆத்மானந்தம் பெறவே ஆத்மானந்தம் பெறவே கடமை மறவோம் அவர் கடன் தீர்ப்போம் கலங்கமிழ் அறம் வளர்ப்போம் கடமை மறவோம் அவர் கடன் தீர்ப்போம் கலங்கமிழ் அறம் வளர்ப்போம் உலகிலே சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும் ஆத்ம சக்தி ஓங்க வேண்டும் உலகிலே சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும் எங்கும் சாந்தி எங்கும் சாந்தி